welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time of coming here, welcome. And guys, please don't mind my hair. My hair is in a very bad state. Well, not bad, but let's just say I am in no mood to start oiling this hair, combing it, and doing all that styling this morning because I don't have the energy. So today on this video, I'm going to be talking about this. This is a NUBAN Beauty product. It is their new beauty blender. It is their newest edition. If you haven't seen this or if you haven't used this, I think you should use it. I just got it like some weeks back and I wanted to tell you all my impression about it, what I think about it. So it is called the NUBAN Beauty blender in my skin. NUBAN Beauty blender, I think that's the name they gave it. In my skin. I'm just going to read it from here. It is a very soft, latex free makeup blending sponge. It represents African, the uniqueness of the African color. It represents confidence, and you know the African woman is very confident, and hence why it has this color, brown and then black. So I got it in a set, 4 sets, and I'm just going to take it out and show you guys. So I'm just going to take it out of the pack and show you what it is. So this is what it looks like. It has 4 foams inside. Let me bring them out. This one has a very unique shape. That's one. This one, another kind of shape, and these 2 are basically just black and they're just tiny. I think they're used for the maybe inner corners where the big ones cannot get into. So today I'm going to do a demo of how this product will be used. Everybody knows how to use a beauty blender or not everybody knows how to use a beauty blender, so I'm just going to take you show you how it's being used. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. I've said this before in my previous videos. For you to get the most out of your beauty blender, you have to make it wet. You have to spray liquid on it. You know, just have to make it damp so that it will be of good use to you. If you use it dry like this, you're just going to be wasting your time, wasting your foundation, wasting your product. So let's get this beauty blender into, let's test it. So this is how it comes. I'm using this one first. So this is how it comes. See the NB on it, then the colors is so fine. So it's like this, and I have water here, so I'm just going to show you how it's done. So I'm dipping my beauty blender into the water right now. Make sure it absorbs enough of water because we want good results. So you have to make sure water really enters. I've dipped it inside the water, and if you notice, it's now a bit bigger in size, and that's like kind of what we want. We want it to be a bit bigger so that your product can settle into your skin the way you want it. So this is how it looks when I bring it out of the water. So I'm just going to use this one and apply foundation on my face with it, and these other 3 I'll put them in the water so that they will be soaking water. This is what I mean. I don't know why they are floating, but I'll try and make sure they get a lot of water because that's what we need, right? So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Zickel foundation. Just take a little bit on my hand and put on the beauty blender and then apply on my skin. So when you're applying foundation on your skin, you don't swipe, you dab, because you want it, like the name stays, in my skin, so you want it to really get into your skin. First thing I've noticed already about this beauty blender is that it is soft, it's not harsh on the skin, as opposed to some other beauty blenders that I have used in the past that are, when you just apply them on your skin, you're just like, okay, this is too hard or this is too harsh. The first thing I have noticed is that it's soft on my skin. I've not used a mirror yet, so I don't know how it is, but I'm just telling you that I'm noticing that it's soft. So let me use a mirror and see my skin and see what, how much. Okay, it's blending really nice. I think I love it. It's blending really, really nice. It doesn't leave patches. I was not that I would expect it to leave patches, but some beauty blenders do that, and I was already saying to myself that if this one leaves patches, I'm not going to be surprised. But surprisingly, no patches. It's actually a good one. And one thing about why people prefer using beauty blenders is because, number one, it blends the product well in your skin. It sinks well in your skin. Number two, it doesn't waste your product much. As you can see, it doesn't really waste your foundation. What it just does is just takes out the excess and gives you what you actually need to work with. Do you get? So I'm just going to finish the rest of my face now and come back for the highlights and contour using the beauty blender, but this time I'll use the other one. Okay, so skin all blended in. I want to now go for my highlight, and for my highlight I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I want to use this other type, not because I cannot use the first one, but I just want to use everything just to, you know, give you my ideal and honest opinion about it. So this is what I'm going to use, the other one that has the other shape, for blending my highlights. So putting my highlights where the highlights are supposed to be. And one thing about highlights is you don't want to go too light because you don't want to have difficulty in blending. You also have to help the beauty blender to work well, so you have to also cooperate. You get? So what we need to do about the highlight is just take a shade that is just one shade lighter than your skin tone. I usually use I usually use the shade I would use to highlight my brows, to highlight my face, because that's like the same thing. So once that is done, I'm going in with my damn beauty blender, this one, the NUBAN Beauty newest edition, in my skin beauty blender to blend. So I'm just tapping that in to my skin. Okay, this is not bad. This is just this beauty blender just makes the work easy. Like, it just makes everything easy and fast, if I do say so myself. The way it's just working into my skin, like, it's not it's not it's not hard. It's not um oh my god, I don't know if what I'm saying is what you're saying. This is so nice. No harsh lines, no patches, just right. This is nice. I recommend this. I recommend this Nuban Beauty. No, case closed. Case closed. This is actually very nice. You should get yourself this beauty blender. You know what? I'm just going to do the rest of my face and I'll come back. Okay. So I want to just demonstrate to you guys what you can use the smaller ones for. I mean, you can get away with not using it. You can just use the regular big ones, but they have made life easy for us. Like, they have made everything just easy for us. But this is what you can use at the inner corner. because if you want a very smooth job, if you want a very good job, you have to use the right things, you have to use the good things. So you can use this one just to blend the areas that the bigger ones will not get into. And if you're somebody that does cream contour, when you want to contour your nose, you can use this one to blend in these areas here. You get what I mean? So yeah, just like this. This beauty blender is goals. Like, it is goals. It just makes everything easy. Guys, if you're hearing anything, rain is falling. If you're hearing any noise, rain is falling. It's been raining and raining. And if I say let me just wait for this rain to stop, I'll not do this video today. So yeah. So just blending in. To set my face, that's what I've just done on my face. I am using the beauty blender again and my setting powder. It works, trust me. So I have put the setting powder in here to use on my face. So this is it on the brush. Did I say brush? On the beauty blender. So this is what it looks like. Then I'm just going to gently pat it on my face to set. Just gently pat it here and here. Basically just the places I've highlighted. Here, my chin, bridge of my nose, forehead, and yeah, just this. So that's it. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, but let me tell you what I think about this beauty blender. First of all, you need to get it because it helps your foundation get settled into your skin very perfectly, and you can get it in different shapes like I just told you, this shape and this shape, and the smaller ones also have this shape and this shape. You can see this shape and you can see also this shape. So it's variety. You can do whatever you want with it, and the beauty about it is that it is affordable. You can choose to get it in a pair or single. I got this in a pair just because I wanted to just have the four. So you can be like me, you can just want to have the four, or you can just want to have one pair. So the beauty blender in my skin by NUBAN Beauty, the newest edition, it's a good buy. Take it from me. Just walk up to their shop or send them a DM or email anything. I walked up to their I walked into their store in Sulere to get mine. So if you live around Sulere, they are there. They are there, and they're on Instagram, NUBAN Beauty. You can just send them a DM or just tell them you want to get it, and I'm sure you will not regret buying this. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you learned how to use a beauty blender. I hope you learned from this. I hope you learned how to soak your beauty blender into water before using it, because that's the only way you can get a very good result, provided you are using a very good beauty blender like this one from NUBAN. It's so soft, guys. I'm just going to stop talking. Buy it and just experience what I'm experiencing. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, tell your friends about this video, like this video. Let me know what you think about this beauty blender. If you have used it, tell me in the comment section. If you're going to use it, tell me in the comment section. I want to know. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.